Kumusta everyone? Magandang araw, another day dito sa probinsya. Ngayong araw ay ibabahagi namin sa inyo ang aming isang araw na bakasyon at pagstay sa isang native cottage dito sa isang resort sa probinsya. Ipapakita din namin sa inyo ang aming ordinaryong buhay dito sa Pilipinas bilang isang interracial family. Isang araw nga kaming mag-i-stay sa isang resort doon sa Chateau Negros Oriental. Alas 10 pa ng umaga ngayon at babiyahin na kami dahil isang oras pa ang babiyahin namin papunta doon.
Please.
Nakaidlip ang mga bata sa sasakyan at after almost 1 hour ay yay! Finally, nakarating din kami dito sa resort. Dito sa Grandview Cottages Resort sa Chateau Negros Oriental. Wow! Ang ganda naman talaga ng resort tingnan lalo na sa drone view. Napaka-green at malapit sa dagat and meron din silang swimming pool. Tahimik pa dito ngayon kasi kami yata ang first guest nila ngayong araw. And yan, diretso na kami sa kanilang reception at sa restaurant area. Nag-check-in na kami guys at nag-order na din kami ng pang-lunch namin since lunchtime na ngayon. So let's go guys, i-check natin ang aming cottage or ang aming bungalow. Hola pamilya! Welcome sa aming vacation, weekend vacation. Nandito kami sa Chateau Negros Oriental and this is our house for a night. A night lang. Kasi weekend vacation pero a night lang. Uwi kami bukas. It's Friday today and walang pasok na si Yuri. Kaya nandito kami sa Chateau sa may Grandview Resort.
Wow!
May isang bata doon. Who is that girl? She wants to climb the stairs. Going the ladder, stairs. So this is our home for a night. May dalawang bed. Show the bed. Dalawang bed. Look! She really... shaking! She's scared. She's like... Okay, go down. And meron kami ditong kitchenette with mini fridge na may mga laman. Of course, with prices yan dito.
Remember?
60,000, that's so expensive.
Around
Wait.
$50.
Around $50 for a night. And yan. Kitchen, pero hindi naman kami magluluto. May kapihan area, may table. Nag-order kami ng food. Meron din silang restaurant and swimming pool dito. So, yan lang. Then dito sa, ano siya, native bamboo nipa and Amakan house. Look at that girl. She saw an opportunity to go out kasi na open ang door. Kanina pa si Mia dito na-explore sa labas. Nag-crawl siya sa labas. Oh, ang dumi na ng bata.
Can I climb this tree?
Yes, you can try. But be careful with your head. May batang nag-escape! So, ayan, dito kami guys. Ito ang labas. Oh, may magandang gamamela flower, yellow. And that's the swimming pool. Kuya, do you like this place?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I have swimming pool.
Yay! You can swim later, yeah?
Yeah.
Baby girl, where are you going, girl? Si Mia, gusto niya dito mag-crawl sa labas. Naghahanap siya ng mga flowers. Oh, ayun na, flower, oh! Ah, wait, we cannot get that flower. That's too big. Uy, mahulog ka, uy!
Mama.
Ay, nako, this girl!
Mama, I saw him shake.
Go down. Let's go check that swimming pool. Actually, this is not our first time here kasi nakapunta na kami dito maraming beses na actually. Dito kami nag-celebrate ng first birthday ni Yuri together with our friends. Mamaya, baka may magandang sunset dito. Mag-sunset viewing. Pwede din kami mag-snorkeling doon sa baba. Yan ang bata. Gusto mag-swimming. Akala niya makakalangoy siya dyan. Nana! Oh! She's so quick. Ah! Let's go mag-swimming! Let's go! Bad idea. Bakit ko siya dinala dito sa pool? Ngayon, alam na niya kung nasa ng pool. Babalik siya doon. Let's go! We're not ready to swim. You're not ready to swim yet. No. Oh my gosh. Si Mia super active na talaga siya.
Amelia, where are you? Why you? She's escaping. Prison break. Oh! Oh! Uy! Rock. Careful. Oh, have mosquito net. Wow. Юрий will sleep here.
Up there?
Юрчик, ты тут будешь спать?
I want to
М?
sleep up there? No, like I want to scared, like no. And you sleep sleeping.
Это что такое? Some fresh towels. And swimming pool.
Thanks.
No, you say something. And swimming pool.
I'm seeing one.
And finally, yay! Ito na ang pinakahihintay ng mga bata, ang makapag-swimming kami. Struggle is real din talaga pag nagbabakasyon kasama ang maliliit na mga bata. Lalo na pag baby at toddler pa, nako, aasahan mo na talaga na may iyakan at mga tantrums na mangyayari. Si baby kanina, sobrang excited maligo. Umiyak nga siya nung nakita niya ang swimming pool at hindi ko pinayagang maligo. Pero hindi naman to forever na ganito sila, 'di ba? Kasi lalaki din ang mga bata at magiging independent na sila, and maybe it will get easier in the future. Kaya kahit mahirap minsan, sinasama talaga namin sila sa pagbabakasyon dahil paglaki nila, baka may mga sariling mundo na itong mga batang to. Ayaw na sumama sa amin o kaya mga barkada na ang gustong kasama. Kaya habang bata pa sila ay as much as possible, ina-enjoy namin itong mga moments na ganito na sama-sama kami sa bakasyon. Dahil mabilis lang ang panahon at balang araw, may mga babalikan kami mga memories na ganito pagtanda namin. Ayan, tapos na kaming maligo sa swimming pool. Kain naman kami ng lunch. So, I'm having lechon kawale and Dimitri is having Japanese curry. It's chicken.
Lots of veggies.
That's perfect for you. You like... What?
So, this blanket's so cozy.
You like that blanket?
Yeah.
So cozy daw ang blanket. Natulog na. You sleep na. Do you like this room?
Yeah, it's have cozy blankets, have more pillows. and stuff.
More colorful.
Yummy! Actually, pinakain ko na si baby sis ng rice and chicken kanina. Tapos ayan, yes! Just ayan, kain na naman siya ng potato, carrots. She likes veggies. Ayan. Katulog na ang bata. Ang baby girl. And si kuya. Kuya! Nood ng cartoon si kuya, si papa. May ginagawa. Kanina guys, sobrang kati dito sa ano nila, sa bed. Nahiga kami nung pagkadating namin, humiga kami dito, nagpahinga ng kaunti. Tapos, ano ako kasi parang batang kati, nangati kaming lahat. Si Mia umiyak. Tapos nagganon-ganon si Mia sa kanyang katawan. And then si Yuri din nangangati kanina. Tapos pinaalam namin sa kanila. Kasi tinanong namin ba't makati dito. Mukhang malinis naman yung beddings nila. Yung mga sheets. Pero nung tinanong ko, sabi nila baka daw yun sa may kahoy daw dyan sa baba na season ngayon na namulaklak, and then galing daw sa may nare-release daw na galing dun sa kahoy na yun, may nare-release na mga makakating, I don't know, it's maybe part siya ng bulaklak. Hindi ko din alam, may tawag, may pangalan silang sinabi kanina. Basta galing daw sa kahoy dyan sa baba, maraming kahoy. And windy kasi ngayon, mahangin kasi ngayon dito, kaya lahat ng, siguro ng lahat ng mga makate na galing sa kahoy na yun pumupunta dito. Ang mga ewan ko, sabi nila ano daw, hindi daw makita, sobrang liit. Hirap daw makita, sobrang liit. Akala ko kasi mga langgam siya dito. Pero wala naman ako nakitang langgam sa bed kanina. Kaya nga nagtanong ako, ba't Makati? Yun pala yun galing sa kahoy na parang mga maliliit na balahibo. Ang hirap makita kasi maliliit, sobrang liit nila. At super kati, once nadikit siya sa palat mo, grabe ang kati. Si Mia kanina sigaw sa kati and then namula yung likod niya. Kung hindi ko siya pinaligo sa pool, hindi siya mag-stop sa pag-iyak na tigil lang siyang umiyak nung pinaligo ko sa pool. Sabi ni ate nung nagbantay dito is nawawala daw talaga siya sa tubig. And wala naman silang magawa kundi ipalitan lang yung bed sheets namin. Pero so far naman okay naman dito sa bed sheets. Tas wala nang Makati dito kaya nakatulog na ang bata. Kakatapos lang namin maligo sa pool. Season daw kasi ng pamulaklak ng puno na yun. Ewan ko. Super kati niya guys. As in, first time kong maranasan tong ganito. Akala ko talaga maliliit na langgam. Wala namang langgam. Yun nga ang sabi nila, galing daw sa puno. Grabe, ang kati. Si Mia talaga kanino na umiyak ng umiyak. Nakatihan. Tapos nagganon siya sa buong katawan niya. Napula patuloy yung ano niya. Dito sa dibdib sa likod niya. Tanungin natin si ate anong pangalan ng kahoy na yun. Nakalimutan ko. Taon sa pangalan sa kahoy? Nipay. Nipay Bisaya na te. Bali yung katula sa bisag diri mulingkod ka. Mamilit siya. Nandyan daw sa baba yung kahoy tas yung hangin pa ganit pa akyat dito. Dito banda. Nipay tree ang tawag. Nipay. Grabe. Napakakati. Ayoko na tuloy umupo dito. Kasi pag ganyan umupo pa ganyan. Ang kati ka agad. Ang kati, hindi mo makita na may dala siya ng hangin galing dyan sa kahoy dyan sa baba. That's all your nap, baby? Gising na ang baby. What's that? Look, he found something there. It's somebody's coat. Don't touch it, it's dirty. Yuck. No, to drink. It's somebody's. Nakalimutan naming magdala ng extra diapers for baby Mia. Kaya lalabas muna kami doon sa may kalsada para bumili.
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Or large.
Go choose. Wait, doggy.
Pila sulod na gani? 4. Homeless girl. Si baby Mia guys, gusto niya talagang isuot tong costume ni kuya niya. Costume ni kuya to sa school event niya nung nakarang araw. Nag-stop over muna kami dito sa magandang view dahil hihintayin sana namin ang sunset dito. Since malapit naman na maalas 5. Pero parang walang sunset na mangyayari kasi gloomy ngayong hapon. Kaya bumalik na lang kami dito sa resort. And mag-order lang kami ng pang-dinner namin mamaya.
Закончились. Очень. Будьте здоровы.
Oh, they have sausage and mash.
Будем
What do you want
sausage and mash. Potato? Yeah. What kind of sausage?
Hungarian or bratwurst with caramelized onions served with sauteed vegetables, gravy, and mashed potato.
Yeah.
Nag-order na kami ng for dinner. Dito lang kami mag-dinner sa loob. Kasi hindi kami makaupo doon sa labas. Kasi ang daming Makati doon sa labas. He always give you heart attack. It's exercise for your heart. Walang aircon dito, fan lang. Attic room. Let's go outside. Let's meet a baby. Oh, there is a baby. Mia is already waving to the baby. There's another baby there. Another guest. Yan ang iniistehan namin.
Look at this big flower.
What is that?
A big flower.
What is that flower called?
Hey,
No,
wake
no,
up,
no,
Mia.
no, no, no. Don't destroy it. It's a
To
goma.
wake you up.
It's a gomamela.
Really?
Itchy? Are you itchy? Kuya said he has a lot of energy. Go run there. Run. After ice cream. Kumain siya ng ice cream kanina. Ay, yo! Kumain siya ng ice cream kanina sa tindahan. A lot of energy daw siya. It's itchy. Oh my God. Really itchy na. Sobrang kate talaga dito. It's really itchy there. Itchy. It's on our skin now. This thing from a flower. Itchy thing. Let's go inside. It's so itchy there. Very, very itchy. Meron talagang nakate na napupunta sa sa balat. Kumakapit sa balat yung galing siguro talaga sa hangin ba? Itchy. What? Itchy. Intindihan niyo yun? What did you say? Sinong nakaintindi nun? Paki-translate. What? Ba. Kuya, mahulog ka diha, kuya be. Mahulog ka, hawa diha. Ayo dira pagsaka-saka. Kuya, please. The hospital is very far. If you fall down there, you break your head. We cannot bring you to the hospital right away.
Why? You're not come back?
Because it's very far from here. Malayo tayo sa syudad. Tuhod. Yung balat. Where? Itchy. Nanungat dito ng bata.
Back here.
Itchy?
This house, so I know you.
Mama ba? It's itchy. Poor
Don't
girl.
itch, Mama.
So itchy. Don't go outside anymore.
Uy, Grayson! Grayson ka? Uy, Grayson! Yan! Grayson! Nahulog ko.
Okay, dinner is here. Sausage, mashed potato, veggies, spaghetti, and soup. What kind of soup is it?
It's malunggay, creamy malunggay with
Creamy
squash.
malunggay.
It's healthy.
Smash it!
Oh, where is the squash?
Нет, пюрешечка
Supposed to be with squash.
с венгером.
Without
Не знаю какой, с травой какой-то.
So good.
So good.
Mine too.
We have some veggies and mash. Alright, dinner time everyone. And pagkatapos namin mag-dinner ay nakipaglaro kami sa mga bata before matulog. Morning, sleepyhead Mia. Drama. Such an up. Let's go to the beach. It's morning na, Papa. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's a cat. Check who is it. Good morning. Sana wala nang Makati ngayon. Makati talaga. Kagabi ang dami. Yung mga aso parang dito natulog kagabi sa labas. What? You want to see the kids? You want to play with the cat? And the doggy? There's Kuya. Kuya so early. He woke up so early and checked the pool already. Hi Kuya. How's the pool? Good? Clean? But cold, yeah? Let's go to the beach. Let's go down. Busted! No, we're going home already. Our home is like hotel also. It's even better than this.
We have to go swimming in the beach.
Yeah, we'll go now and then we'll eat breakfast and then we'll go home.
One ice cream for me.
Ako'y ice cream na naman. You just ate ice cream yesterday. Late.
Please, Mama.
Baby, what do you want? Baby Mia is asking for F. What do you think is F, guys? F.
Flowers.
Yeah, that's right.
Is it okay to take?
Yeah, just one. It's okay. F. Oh, F for the beautiful girl. No, she want to put it herself. She always put it on her ear. She likes it. Come on, put it in your ear. Why are you smashing it? Put it on your ear. Put it in your ear. More? He wants the most beautiful one. F. She always asks like that when she wants to pick a flower. Oh, chicken. Good morning, chicken. Oh, puppy. Mag-breakfast lang muna kami sa restaurant nila and maliligo kami ulit sa pool mamaya. Kuya Yuri, pagising kanina, gusto na agad talaga mag-swimming. Excited talaga siya sa pool. Their garden. Habang hinihintay namin ang aming almusal, ay naglalakad-lakad muna kami dito malapit sa kanilang chicken coop and sa kanilang garden. Meron silang chicken farm dito. Maliit na chicken farm. Cute chicken. Cute. Not cute. They're so big. Their chicken are fat. Check their garden. Wow. Look at their garden, baby girl. They have a garden. Baby Mia is dancing. May narinig siya music and napasayaw siya. O, ayun. Sayaw. Dance, 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 dance. Tuk, 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 tuk. Such a dancer girl.
Magic, Mama.
What's
right?
your magic? What
See,
is
it turned like into beer.
it turned into beer? What did you put in there?
Salt and sugar.
Salt and sugar. Salt and sugar turned into beer. Try it, try.
Salty beer.
Salty beer. Yuck! So yucky. Beer ka raw. Mia is such an explorer. Akala niya bahay niya to.
Party. Party, party.
Salty. Apa?
Next step. You're gonna climb there now. That is baby Mia. Such a climber girl. Feet first. One foot first.
Smell like sugar, Mama.
And up. See? She did it. Sugar? Of course it smells like sugar because you added sugar. At least she got something. You should eat it together with the pumpkin.
What? Yuri, what kind of spoon is this?
You look so funny with that hat. Alright! Punta na kami sa beach. Baka high tide na doon. Punta kami sa beach before kami umuwi, guys. Maglaro si Mia ng buhangin doon. Oh! Oh-oh! Oh-oh! Oh, poor girl! Screen!
Show me.
This is also look. Charo, maitong taan ni Bisis. Look, hot. Hot. She always take off.
That's it.
Papa, give me my...
Stop snuggling already. Let's go.
Hot shelf. Beach is this way. Dito yung daan papuntang beach. Napaka-steep at napaka-nakaway. Ayan. Yuko! 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 Kailangan mo yumuko dito. Woo!
It's nice here.
We're gonna go here.
Very slippery, huh?
And it's like here.
Careful lang. Can I hold you? Let me hold you.
I don't like this tree. This is like
Why not? It's fun.
so fun.
Oh, see?
So fun.
Careful.
Wow.
This is the most difficult part.
It's easy for me.
Okay. We're here.
So fun.
Ow! You're fine. It's okay. What do you call a baby goat, Kuya? No. A baby goat is called a kid. There's a kid. There's a kid. Ah, drinking milk like baby sis. So yummy. Don't show baby sis that.
Go.
Here is it. That beach. Secret beach. Ah, you want to yan?
wants his baby sis wants her duyan. She remember her duyan. So, ito ang beach. Low tide, no? Mabato dito. Si Yuri, naglaro na kahit mainit. Ang init, guys! Ang daming mga divers doon, oh. Kakarating lang nila. Actually, mas maganda dito pag hapon siguro, high tide. Until here yung tubig. Makakapaglaro ang mga bata. Kaso ngayon, very low tide and mainit na. Let's just go back. Let's just go back and go home na. Alright, let's go home. Check out na kami dyan sa aming bungalow. A good place, kaya lang Makati ngayong season na to. Huwag kayong pumunta dito pag January season kasi may season ng flower, ng pamulaklak ng isang puno dyan sa baba na sobrang kate. Pero overall, ang ganda ng service nila dito. Ang mga staff sobrang bait and peaceful. Very peaceful, especially sa pag hindi pa weekend. Kahit ngayon Sabado, peaceful pa rin. Walang masyadong guest sila ngayon. But ilang beses na ako nakapunta dito actually. It's always peaceful here and ang babait ng staff as always. So still, may naiwan kami.
Your earring?
Yeah, she found my earrings. Muntikan nang maiwan yung earrings ko. So overall, I recommend this place actually. Very nice staff. And food also good. Affordable food and yummy. Let's go home.
Palitin ko na yung kamay po.
Na, Mia. Wow, Mia. Not itchy anymore, Mia. We arrive home. Welcome home. Naligo ulit si Mia kasi nakatihan talaga siya. Nadala niya ang kati dito. Sa nipay. Naglagay ng pulbo. Wow! White na kayo ka! White! White girl! Wala na katol. That's it everyone. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa panunood sa vlog na ito. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. And mag-ingat po kayong lahat. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa aming channel kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe. Ingat po kayong lahat. Until next time. Abangan ang susunod na vlog. Bye!